what's up guys? Mato ko karon sa Dubai. Kay mag Christmas party mi with my batchmates sa una. So mao ni ang dagat sa
Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Ten seconds.
Gawa General 5. Gawa General 2.
So guys, we are here at Dubai. Ay pag-games ang mga classmates guys. Pag-games sila. Gagi. Hey baby cha.
Hi Jello!
Sorry.
Ano yan? Hey guys.
Isa-isa ang
Ang forma ni loko no pika. Dagat. Dapat may mubarak.
Kaduha rin daw. Gago. Lalala. about our batch?
So good, so fun. Very memorable. Kuhaan kayo, vivo. Enjoyable, then more.
Eh,
Batch 1. Lungis na. Kuan ka na. Bisa ka na padlungon, pero enjoy gyapon.
good. Next, what can you say about our batch?
Dapat di ko tigtanaw siya.
Dili, balag di ka tigtanaw. What can you say about our batch?
Ay, sa to.
Sa atong batch.
Ay, abi na ko vlog.
Dili, sa atong batch.
Nice. Perfect. Perfect. What
Perfect.
can you say about our bot? Wow. That's good to hear. Well, I can say that I'm the most beautiful.
Yes.
But not that intelligent.
Sa atong batch. Ansa?
Ikaw ang bot. Kaya mong kuhan.
Sa, thank you. Hi, what can you say about our batch?
Our bot is the best.
Settle down and look what I get. Thought it was my time, but I guess not yet. She at the bar getting drinks from me. I'm in the house shifting sheets, but her girlfriend's just not knowing. Truth and not knowing. I look back now like, man, I was hoping I was. Don't take long for me to move on. Oh, please don't worry about me. I'm fine. Please don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm gonna play the fool one time. I'm gonna play the fool one time. Trust me when I say that I'll be okay. Not a feeling in my chest. Baby, I'm feeling no.
Hindi ako happy.
But we can't let this moment pass us. Let the hourglass pass right into ashes. Let the wind blow the ashes for my glasses. So I want this love.
Stay strong kayo sila, Bites.
I'm
surface of your skin, the melodies you sing, the memories you spin. I'm so lost in everything that makes you. All the details of your delicate design.
Very kind.
Tu diseñado no quiso gastar en la tela. Oh, mamá, tú eres la fama. Estás conmigo y te va mañana. Cuando lo mueves, todo me sana. Eres mi antídoto cuando tengo ganas. Oh,
Good morning guys. It's a good morning na. I've experienced yesterday na bonding with my co-classmates or batchmates. Have been having fun. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Blowing his horn. I'm ready, I'm so lonesome I could die. So